Hello, everybody. Hello, hello. Brandon sold. No, hell no. You know I'm not selling, Boomstick. You know better than everyone else. I am not selling. I will die before I sell, essentially. Look at AMC. Holy shit, I didn't even see that before. But no, hell no, I would not sell. No, it might. Does the stream title make it seem like it's... Hey, let me change it. Why is... Sometimes the titles get a bearish reaction. Let me say this. To the moon. To the moon. Yeah. I'll just do that. Is that good? Is that better? I'm not bearish, guys. I promise. I'm never. You guys know. I think I think Boomstick is just kidding. Anyways, the news we got is this right here, and it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. And I haven't actually. I want to actually somebody to message me on the Discord. Magic Arrow, my friend there. He told me you should listen to this. This confirms your entire investment thesis, and I actually haven't listened to this PhD's podcast. So I'm gonna listen to that one of these days. I'm gonna listen to that soon. And this is good to see. How traditional cytogenetics testing hasn't changed for roughly 50 years and says, so it's about time to change that. And in these two studies, we gave the first glimpse that OGM is on track to do so. And we know for a fact that OGM, it's just better than everything else. And what it does, that's just as simple as it gets. So this is the entire investment thesis. That's what it is. And talking about the day, talking about what we're doing today, we're down 3%. 619 right now. I want to close. It looks like we're going to close above $6. And what I want to highlight today, right now at least, is the fact that we're outperforming a lot of stuff. I mean, especially, this is rare, right? And now, don't get me wrong, today is a little bit of like I don't know, this day is kind of, this is kind of a boring day, I would say. That's how I would classify it as. But look at how we've done compared to these two. Microvision and Nanodimension, we usually move way worse. We usually underperform them. That's what we've done in the last few weeks. And now we're finally getting a decisive day where we actually are outperforming them. They're going down big, 5% down in the red. We are only down 3%. That's it. So relatively speaking, we're actually doing good, right? We're actually doing good, relatively speaking, for the stop price movements on a day-to-day basis, right? AMC's down 8%, Virgin Galactic 8%, MMAT 10% down. Right, it's death incarnate. This is decimation, high growth decimation. That's as simple as it gets. We're actually performing. We're in the top 5, probably best performing, or at least like top 5, top 7 stocks performing today in this watch list. So I love BioNano, golden ass. I'm sitting on BioNano until I see moon. Yeah, well, I get what you mean. This is, if you know what you're holding, if you know what you're holding, you have diamond hands and diamond balls. That's as simple as it gets. And we don't have any other news that I don't think we have any. Let me refresh to see if we got another listing here. I don't think we have any other news besides this tweet right here. I don't think there's anything else. 15 hours ago. Okay, yeah, this is the one that we were talking about. Yep. Yeah, that's all I'm seeing at least. But 619 right now. We'll see how we close. We got 9 minutes of the close. What happened with Kramer Mad Money yesterday? So yesterday, he didn't really say anything about BNGO. He said he was talking about an IPO company or something. Nothing about BNGO. So, yeah, we got our hopes up for nothing. But, hey, there was a chance that it was going to be BNGO, and there was evidence to say that it was going to be him. But it wasn't. So that is what it is. At the end of the day, just look at what he said with Clover, right? He said Clover sucked. You should sell it. And then it was actually like 10% green in pre-market. Now it's red. That's funny how that happens. But, maybe it's maybe it's good that Kramer didn't mention us. I don't know. I think it would be overall positive because more exposure and publicity. But anyways, it's not like what I'm trying to say is it's not like it's the end of the world because Kramer didn't mention us, right? 3,000 shares is bought 619, and we are looking like we're gonna close the day right on or right below. Right? Okay, it looks like we're gonna close the day right below. At least, anything can happen in these last 10 minutes. Usually it doesn't, but it looks like we're going to close below the ascending level of support that we confirmed yesterday. Now we're breaking down. So that's, that's nice. And it looks like we also did get rejected right around where all the moving averages are. Right around there. One interesting thing is that we actually got the bullish flip on the daily SAR. That's freaking weird. This parabolic stop and reverse indicator. That we got a bullish flip on that today, and that's weird. And we broke past that level. You can imagine where it was right around there. We wicked up. It was a false breakdown. We still got the bullish flip. And, we haven't got that flip. Last time we got the flip, we went up, we went up 100% in a month. Usually at the start of serious uptrends, you're going to get the SAR. That's one of the first thing it's one of the relatively first things that's going to happen. It's one of the first few things to happen. That's for sure. Not saying that's going to happen for sure, but unsub until soup. I'll put the suit on. I need to put the suit on more. Yeah. Maybe he was filming for a different episode later. Maybe. We did get SAR. Yeah, LFG. Yes, exactly. We did get the SAR. That is a good sign. And on the 4-hourly, yeah, we are still bullish. And on the SAR as well, on the 4-hourly, we're still good. We're really, I mean, I'm not really seeing any reversal signs here short term, because the fact is we got the bullish flipped it in the daily, and we're still holding both of the very important bullish and trend gaugers and direction gaugers on the 4-hourly. And you guys know the 4-hourly and the daily charts, those are the most important ones. At least I think they are. For me, they definitely are. And we're bullish on both of those, essentially, right? Pretty much. So I'm not really freaking out. I'm not really freaking out at all. And factor in that we're actually getting annihilated today as a sector. High growth is, and we are only down 3%. That sounds bad, but if you look at the sector, like we're outperforming almost everything. It's not as bad as a day as it would seem. So I'm not trying to tell you like it's good that we're going down, but a healthy consolidation day is nothing to complain about. That's damn sure. Also, remember, it doesn't matter what the hell the price is doing, because earnings are coming up. Earnings coming up, right? I mean, it doesn't matter. It doesn't just not matter at all, but relatively speaking, the price up to earnings, it's just not super important, you know? I mean, we can go, it doesn't, like, imagine this scenario. If we did a pre-anticipatory running up to 10, like his high growth just absolutely did amazing, we go up to $10 for earnings. Earnings sucks ass. Dude, we're going all the way. We're going to lose. So we're going to get absolutely annihilated if that were the case. Now, you guys know what I think about earnings, but I'm just giving you some perspective on that maybe. 618 right now. I don't think anyone should buy at this point. Not until late next week or early in August, first week only because of the shorts. Okay, all right, that's Mark. Mark is the 1 million shareholder owner. He's a friend of mine. He's a good, I consider him a friend of mine. He's a legend. Mark, are you feeling better, my friend? Let me know. Would you like to see buys at the close in a green day tomorrow after today's consolidation? Yeah, we definitely, yeah, me too. Enough, how much to suffer by someone, bingo company. What? What? 618, 3% in the red right now. We got 5 minutes to the close. Got my average at 650 from these dips. Yeah, man, I think that's a great average. Long term, I think that's a great. I think anything under 10 is a steal long term. That's my opinion. All right, unfortunately not Will. I will post a video. Oh no, that makes me sad. Now I'm sad. Mark, dang it. I hope you get better, my friend. Get better. We're all wishing you well. Please get better, my friend. Do what you can. Well, it's not really up to you, is it? But I hope you get better. We hope you get better, my friend. Everything's down, no stress. Yeah, exactly. Honestly, yeah, it's not like BioNano is out. It's not like BioNano is outperforming, not underperforming today. Remember that, right? When you look at us down 3% today, it's not as bad as it seems. It's really not. At least I don't think it is. And at the end of the day, hey, remember, if we do go down to 550 again, or even lower than that, right? Imagine if we could break the 21. We could break the 200-day SMA. Now it's sitting at like 560. Now it goes up every single day. Imagine if we break that again. Guess what? I don't give a shit, because the fact is, when earnings hits, if it's going to be a beat, we're going to $8. Or you know, it depends on the numbers, but we'll probably, if we're going to get a nice revenue beat, something like that, I think is pretty likely. $7, $8. I think these are likely targets. These are likely scenarios. I think 4 minutes to the close. Mark told me to buy. I just wanted to go back up at least to 7 and 8, so I don't feel like a broke bastard, lol. Yeah, that's what everyone is kind of thinking in the back of their minds, right? Just go up a little bit more, so I can look at my portfolio with some more ease, you know. I'm pretty sure we can all can relate to that. But remember, keep your eyes and your thoughts on the company, not the stock price. Remember that. I'm sure you know. And look at all the buys we're getting. That was a sporadic buying right there. How many orders does it take to move the price up 1 cent? A question for the damn philosophers, my friends. Oh, and then we go right back down. Oh no! And then, oh my gosh, there we go. You got sporadic buys and then sporadic sells. Okay, it matches out. I can't complain. It matches. It cancels out, I guess, at least roughly. I still think there's a little bit more buys there, but anyways, I don't trust the market this year. If you don't trust the market, UVXY is your friend. That's damn sure. If you want to make money on the market crash coming up, if you want to make money, if you want to hedge your bets, this is the way that I'm doing, at least. There's 2 ways you do it: buying power or UVXY, right? These are the 2 ways you can do it. For me, it's a little bit of both, but UVXY, here's the thing. If the market crashes, you want to have a lot of shares of UVXY. Look how much this thing went up, this thing went up more than 1,000%, I think. I can't do math, but it went up at least 500% last market crash. If you're scared about the market, maybe consider UVXY or buying power at the very least. Everyone should have a little bit of buying power on them. Yeah, at least most people should. Look at the whales. The whales are out to play. Look at that fake Fake. We've got fake walls. It doesn't really matter because we're not really moving. We're just barcoding like usual. Barcoding, manipulation, again, unnatural price action. Yes, that is evidence for manipulation. Yes, it is. That's unnatural price action. Manipulators likely to be having a hand in this. Otherwise, you can't really explain it. And although that's not like hard proof for manipulation, it's evidence. It's somewhat decent evidence for it. Brandon, do your voodoo. All right, here we go. Boom, there we go. Force activated. All right, we're going to close at 620 now. Come on. Let's get... Why is there so much green volume there? Yeah, I was about to say. We flipped green there for a second. I wouldn't be surprised if we close on a doji. I wouldn't be surprised if we close at 618, honestly. Buys or sells at the close? What are you guys thinking? I'm thinking buys. That's what I always say, though. I literally always... If you ever ask me to predict buys or sells at the close, I will always say buys. Because it usually is. It usually is buys. Not so much nowadays, but I bet if you went back through every single stream, this would take a while and you'd waste a lot of time. But I think there's more buys than sells at the close, like right after the close at 16:0003, than sells in the last couple months. Yeah. You think it's gonna be buys, my friend? Let's hear your best song on the guitar, man. If I had good audio, I tell you what, I would do that. We would do that if I had good, if I could figure out not even good audio, just decent. But I can't because I don't know why. I'm gonna fix it one of these days. I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix it right after this. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna fix it right after this. There we go. There's the close. Okay, sells right there, but what's it gonna be? It's lagging. It's lagging. We're 6 seconds behind. Oh no. No, we got sells. It doesn't really matter that much, but still, you know, it was something to root for, right? All right, 20,000. Okay, this is what you're about to see is very, very bad math. You're not going to see much. It doesn't get much worse than this, my friends. 30,000, 40,000-ish, 50. Okay, probably about 100,000, maybe a little bit less than 100,000 shares sold at 616. Damn, I get what the heck is this? Manipulation, anyone? What the heck is going on? That's how they get you on the market orders. If you guys ever use market orders, don't use them because the manipulators will literally send it way, or yeah, they'll send it, they'll be wicks randomly in the after hours especially. Don't do the damn market orders. Anyways, yeah, that's a day. And they pushed it down to 616 at the close. That's crazy. Almost 3.5% in the red now. Wow. All right, well, there you go. There you have it. That's the close. And with that being said, we're going to get out of here pretty soon because there's not any other news really. Brandon, what did you do? It's not green today. I didn't wear the suit. That's what I did. I did not wear the suit. It's my fault. I'll tell you what. If I fix the guitar audio, I'll wear the suit tomorrow in one of the streams, maybe both. I'll wear it one of the times. And if I forget in both of them, you tell me, you remind me, and I'll get the suit on stream. I'll leave the stream. All right, UVXY will go up if the market crash because of fear index, my friend. It's a fear index. All right, thank you so much. Let's get out of here. Damn, your forehead messed this up. I know it did. I gotta put the hat down lower so we can cover the forehead. There we go. There decrease the distance, right? Decrease it from here to here, right? That'll help us. What's the audio problem? I can probably help with that. I think I'm gonna be able to fix it. It's just, I think it's like I don't know what the hell the problem. I couldn't describe it to you, but if I can't fix it, I'll go to you, my friend. I'll go to you if I can't fix it tonight. I think it's gonna be good tomorrow. Market close stream, or maybe even market open. Hell, I don't know, but maybe both. All right, if the audio is actually, I'll be able to actually do it good. Yeah, we'll do the riffage. All right, thank y'all so much. We'll get out of here. Try a BNGO onesie. What? Wait, where do you get one? No, I don't even think even I could do that with all my dumb stuff that I do. I don't even think I could do that. All right, thank y'all so much, man. Jake, thank you. Anthony, all marriage and cancer deaths. Thank y'all so much. I can't pronounce some of your names. I'm sorry. And yeah, with that being said, all right. No, I will play the guitar. I'm gonna fix the audio right now. I'm gonna fix the audio for the guitar, and then we'll play it tomorrow. All right, thank y'all so much. It's not an inch advice. I will see y'all in the next one.